All right, guys. Angelo Christian here with another great edition of Learning Hub. Today, we're going to be talking about how traders trade. And as you guys know, I'm an active trader, and the platform, my favorite platform to trade on is actually Tastyworks. It's the best trading platform out there. There's nothing else that's better than that. I studied under Tasty Trade and Tom and Tony. And so we're actually been doing an over the shoulder to make some trades. It'll actually be a separate edition that I show you guys and how we actually do trade and how I've learned everything from Tasty Trade in the platform. But I get this question, a million times a week. Angela, how do you trade? What do you do? What do you do? And I always tell everyone, go check out Tasty Trade. But I actually wanted to show you guys, how we actually make trades, what we do, because it's so different. It's not long-term passive investing where you buy and hold and you buy a stock. We're actually trading with options and futures and using volatility and liquidity to make decisions. And it's totally mechanical. And like I said, Tastyworks is the premier, one of the best platforms out there. I've traded on a ton of different brokerage firms. I have accounts with other brokers, and moving all of my stuff over to Tastyworks because the technology and the speed is second to none. There's nothing else out there. You guys know Tom and what they've built with TD and Thinkorswim. And Tasty Trade, just a phenomenal resource. It's the best resource that you can get out there to learn how to trade. Everything else out there is junk. When you're trying to learn how to trade, a lot of it is scams and ripoffs. Everything they do is totally free. And that's unbelievable. I can't even believe that. That should be, $50,000 a year for what they do. And the information that you get, the content is totally supreme. And it's real and it's true, and they teach you everything. And it's like I said, it is the best content. If you're wanting to learn how to trade the markets, that is the best way to go. So, we're actually going to show you today how to execute trades, how to route orders, and how to make decisions, right? And you're using the technology to assist you and aid you because that's what's really there for, to show you the liquidity, show you the volatility, and what type of opportunities are in the marketplace, and to have that market awareness. And that's what this platform allows you to do, is it helps you with the math to support your decisions so you can quickly make a decision, boom, 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 and then you can route that order and build up your portfolio and build up your net worth. And that's really what it's about, is teaching you how to build up your wealth by trading the markets and not having fear and taking risk and embracing that. So it's totally phenomenal. I love it. And so thank you guys so much for checking us out. Check out Tasty Trade. I'll show you where to sign up at afterwards. And now I want you to go over the shoulder with me as we dive into the markets. And let's make some trades, guys. Here with the Tastyworks platform, as promised, to show you exactly how I've learned how to trade from the Tasty Trade team. And this awesome technology that I've been able and blessed to be able to work with. This is the Tastyworks platform here. Again, it's the best trading platform that's out there. I've traded with other ones, and they're absolute garbage compared to this. If you guys are looking to trade and want to learn how, this is the best place to go to check out. Again, there's so much junk out there, and I've searched for years and years and years, and I love this. It's phenomenal the way that they teach you and what you can learn, and I mean, this is the value. It's unbelievable. I mean, they could easily charge tens of thousands of dollars a year, and they do it all for free because they're passionate and they're wonderful people. So, and I'm very blessed and glad I've been able to run in Tasty Trade and learn. It's totally changed my life. But nonetheless, here's where we're at. This is the markets right here. These are, I watched the futures. You can see what's happened in the market. It's been very interesting the last couple of weeks because of the volatility. People always ask, all my followers, how do you make a trade? What do you do? How do you do it? And so I wanted to come to you and show you, just kind of give you some examples. To learn more, definitely check them out. Open an account at Tastyworks so you can learn more about exactly, how it works, what to do. I'm just showing you exactly what I do and kind of explain it to you. So you can watch the markets, what's going on here. And if you want to come and check out exactly, you can. This is amazing, exclusive. Watch the follow trade. You can see all the top traders, what they're doing, how their mind works. This is invaluable information here, exactly what you can learn. You get to see, if you want to see what Tom's doing or Tony or anybody, it's all right here.
And this is right here to understand a genius mind, exactly how they're making trades, how they're making decisions is absolutely incredible. I can't tell you that how much this has taught me just seeing this right here. You can also go and you can look at what I do is if you want to look at your watch list, which is very important to do. You can check that out right here. Again, we trade off volatility, high IV rank, and liquidity. And you're looking for stuff that has very liquid markets, that has a high implied volatility rank because the premiums pumped up in those stocks, so you can make money, right? So we talked about looking at BABA. BABA has a high implied volatility rank. It has great liquidity, and the earnings are out for out to May 17th. So this would be a good trade candidate if I was going to make a trade. Or even Facebook is always a great one. It has a high liquidity, but even having this information here is we take it for granted with Tastyworks. Another platform to have this type of technology and be able to be presented with this information would be next to impossible. So you have to understand what you're seeing here. Just to be presented with this is phenomenal. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys how we make a trade and explain it so you guys can see exactly how it works. So let's take a look at Facebook. The IV rank's really high. Earnings are right down the corner on April 25th. We look at, I think Apple always is a good candidate to have a core position in. Tom always talks about having a core position. And you look at making a trade, right? Here's the options chain. May 18th, there's 38 days out to go. That's where we want to be, is the most ideal. And you click to open up the chain. And here, all your positions are figured out. Normally, other brokers, you'd have to add each leg. It'd be a mess to even do any of this, and it's all there for you. It's all laid out. The math is all laid out right here. Look, you have all this right here, your options chain, how much you're going to get paid. You even have the probability of profit. You have your extrinsic. All your Greeks are right here. Your P50, that shows you that, hey, if you have a 62% chance of making 50% of your profit, it tells you right there. Your options chain can be set up, customized exactly how you want it. Again, the technology is lightning fast. There's nothing else out there in the market like it. But yeah, this would be a great opportunity to make a trade in here because you have high IV and you also have great liquidity. So I'm going to move these strikes because I want to change the deltas a little bit between 165 and 180. It looks good. You have a 31 delta on the put and you have a 34 delta on the call. Looks like a decent trade. They're going to pay you $6.74. That's $674 per one lot if you held it to expiration. Again, we don't do that here like Tasty Trade. We take it off between a 25 to 50% profit so you can churn those and get out faster. And so if I was going to put this trade on, basically I would hit review and send, and it's telling you that you're going to get $674 of credit. They're going to withhold $27.27 in option buying power. So you'd simply go and, if you're going to put that on, hit send order and then get your order routed. And look how fast that's filled, like with lightning. That's how fast it is. That's how amazing this technology is. It's absolutely unprecedented. It's incredible what it does. And you can see here, your Facebook position was on. It's right there. Boom, there's my order. It's sitting right there. And that's the opportunity, guys. And it's a wonderful platform. It's the best out there. I highly, highly recommend that you go here to get signed up. Because you can't, I'm not getting paid for any of this to tell you about it, but I love it so much. And then, everything that you learn from Pete, Tom, Tony, the whole team, you're not going to get that anywhere else. No one cares that much to be able to help you the way that these guys do. It's truly unbelievable. It's remarkable the amount of work and effort that they put in. You just go here to get signed up, though. And so thank you so much for checking this out. I hope all the guys out there that ask me questions all the time about how to trade, go check out Tasty Trade, open up a Tastyworks account, and launch your future.